In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile image in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is the starting point for updating your account information, and from here, everything you need is easy to access once you know where to look. Next, take your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu, and it's where you'll find the settings area for your account. If your screen looks a little different, just look for the sidebar menu and scroll if needed until you see the correct option. Once you're in the left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal account details and profile information. If you're updating your profile for branding, team visibility, or simply to keep your account current, this is the right place to do it. After the settings page opens, look for your current profile image area. Even if you don't already have a photo uploaded, you should see a profile image placeholder. Move to that section and click on the camera icon on the profile image. This icon is what allows you to upload or change your picture. When you click the camera icon, a file selection window should appear from your computer. At this point, choose the profile image you want to use. It's a good idea to select a clear, professional-looking image that represents you well, especially if this account is used for client communication or team collaboration. Make sure the file is one you can easily recognize so the upload process goes smoothly. Once you've selected your image, give it a moment if needed to load into the profile area. Check that the correct picture is showing before moving on. This helps you avoid saving the wrong file by accident. After that, click on Update Profile. This is the final step that saves your new profile image to your Gohighlevel account. If you skip this part, the image may not be applied, so make sure you complete it before leaving the page. And that's it. Your new profile image should now be updated in Gohighlevel. If you don't see the change immediately, refreshing the page can sometimes help display the updated image. That's the full process from start to finish. And now you know exactly how to add a profile image in Gohighlevel.